Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to view your muted words in X. If you've muted specific words on X and want to review or manage them, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Mute and Block. This option allows you to manage muted accounts and blocked accounts. Step 7. Tap on Muted Words. Here, you'll find a list of words that you have muted on X. By reviewing your muted words, you can decide whether to remove any of them or keep them muted based on your preferences. Managing muted words can help you curate your X experience and ensure that your timeline is filled with content that aligns with your interests and preferences. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be tailored to your liking.